Look, Dad, that's farm stand has a box of free pup.
Let's take a look. Maybe it's time we finally bring one home.
This one got little spots, and this one keeps licking my hand.
What about that black one in the corner?
No way, Black Dog give me weird vibes.
All right, let's just take this tan one. He's cute and friendly.
Wait, I can be friendly too. I just want a chance.
They never picked the black one.
Maybe one day someone will stay. Every like and subscribe help the black puppy get the love he deserves.
Two hikers are trapped under the snow.
We can't get the rescue dogs up there in time.
I can climb fast, I can smell them. I have to try.
He's heading into the snow. He's digging. He's found someone. He's barking. We got him, and there he's found the second too.
That dog, he saved both of them. He's not bad luck. He's the hero.